Hi, I'm Okai. This is my Hello World project for my personal software portfolio built in Python to showcase my development setup and personalized greeting. Let me show you the program. I am in Visual Studio with my Hello World file. I will run it in the terminal. Here is the output. Hello world, greetings from Ghana, the land of the Black Star. This reflects my Ghanaian heritage. Now, let's look at the code. I defined a print function that stores a message in a variable and print it. I added a comment to the document and also the purpose and my name. The Hello World program, check out my README file at GitHub, and the file contains the overview of the project, the development environment, and also useful websites that were used. Thank you for watching.